Hello. All right, today we're going to do Unit 1, Week 5, Day 3. All right, what have we been talking about this week? Do you remember? We have been talking about different ways that your body can move, right? We can run, we can jump, we can hop, we can skip, we can gallop, right? Our body can move in so many different ways. And we've also been looking about ways that animals move too. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to reread the story, Move. Do you remember what it was about? It was about all kinds of animals and all the different ways that they can move. Last time I read it to you. This time we're going to listen to somebody else read it to you. So our story is called Move by Steve Jenkins and Robin Page. Right, here we go.
Animals move in different ways. Swing. A gibbon swings through jungle trees or walks on two back legs. Walk. A jacana walks on floating lily pads, then dives in to catch a fish. Dive. A blue whale dives deep, 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 and swims below the ocean waves. Swim. An armadillo swims across a stream, and when startled, leaps straight up. Leap. A crocodile leaps to snag its meal. After slithering silently into the water, a snake slithers through rustling leaves. Slither. And climbs up into a tree. Climb. A praying mantis climbs a blade of grass, then spreads its wings and flies. Fly. A roadrunner flies, but not too far. It would rather run to catch its prey. An Arctic hare runs across the ground, then dances, tumbling with its mate. A jumping spider dances to impress. Dance. Then floats away on a thread of silk. Float. A polar bear floats in dark, icy water and slides down a snow-covered hill. A penguin slides, splash, into the sea, slide, and waddles with its colony. Waddle. Animals move in different ways. Waddle, slide, float, dance, run, fly, climb. How about you? Slither, leap, swim, dive, walk, swing, move.
All right, so all those are different ways that animals move, right? And we can move like that too, right? Can you slither on your belly? It's a little bit harder for us, but we can sure try, right? All right. I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to say the word without the first sound. Are you ready? All right, so the word is brat. Brat. If I take that first sound off, what would the word be? Rat. Good job. All right. The word is trip. Say the word trip. Take the first sound off, what would the word be? rip. All right, the word is skit. Say the word skit. Take that first sound off. What would the word be? Kit. Awesome. The word is stick. Say the word stick. All right, take the first sound off. What would the word be? Tick. Good job. All right, the next word is snap. Say the word snap. Take the first sound off. What would the word be? Nap. All right, last one. The word is grills. Say the word grills. Take the first sound off. What would the word be? Rills. Fabulous job. That can be kind of tricky sometimes. All right, we are talking about what this week? Arblins. And remember, this word is prune. Prune. All right, get those line pulls out. Here we go. Grip. Grip. App. Trap. Stop. Stop. Drip. Drip. All right. What is this? This is a frog. Let's tap it. Frog. Frog. This is F-R-O and G. F-R-O-G spells frog. All right. What's this? A tree. Tree. What says T-R and E says E. And guess what? We need two of those E's. So T-R-E-E spells tree. All right, what's this a picture of? Truck. Let's tap it. Truck. Truck. All right, what says truck? T-R. What says U and K? It comes at the end of a word, so it has to be C-K. Good job. T-R-U-C-K spells truck. All right, last one. What is this? A sled. Have you ever been sledding before? Oh, it's so much fun. I hope we get snow this year so we can go. All right, let's tap it. Sled. What says sled? S-L. Says E and D. S-L-E-D spells sled. All right, let's read our sentences. Brad's frog swims and hops. One more time. Brad's frog swims and hops. What is our arblins in that sentence? Brad's and frog. Good job. All right, here we go. Graham claps at Fran's tricks. Graham claps at Fran's tricks. Ooh, what are our arblins in that one? We have three. Graham, Fran's, and tricks. All right, you ready to be speedy fast? All right, here we go. I'm going to point to a word. You got to say it. Are you ready? Here we go. Move, jump, run, two, run, two, jump, move, jump, run, move, two. Oh, good job. That is hard work. I hope you're practicing reading those words this week. All right. Stan likes to blank. We gotta use one of these words. Jump, move, run, or two. Stan likes to move. Okay, we could do that. Stan likes to move. He can blank and blank. He can jump and run. All right. He can do blank tricks too. He can do two tricks too. All right. Now, before we go, we are going to listen to another story, and I'm going to read it, and you can read along with me if you want to. Are you ready? Move and grin. Scott's frog can hop and jump. It can move its back legs. Scott can hop and jump too. Hop, hop, jump. Fran's dog can swim a lot. It kicks its two front legs. Fran can swim a lot too. Swim, swim, swim. Do you like to swim? I do. Stan's horse can trot and run. It jogs on its big, long legs. Stan can trot and run too. Trot, trot, run. Skip's crab can grab. Crab and grab rhyme. It can grab with its claw. Grab, grab, grab. Skip can grab too. Grab, grab, grab. What can Skip grab with? What does he grab with? What do you grab with? Your hand. Here's a little chart showing us different parts of our body. Here's our hand, our arm, our leg, our foot, and his head. All right, so we learned about different things that animals can do and we can do too, right? When we look back, we saw that the crab can grab and we can grab things too, right? All right, let's look at the horse. The horse can trot and run. Can we trot and run? Yeah, right? What's another word we use for trot? Gallop, yeah. All right. Oh, and look at this. When the dog is swimming, and can we swim? Yeah, so we can do things that animals do. What do frogs do? They hop and jump. Can we hop and jump? Yeah, we can move in all sorts of ways. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.